Welcome to the hands-on biosafety and biosecurity management training on dual-use and zoonotic pathogens. A focused 3-day course designed to empower medical professionals, veterinarians, lab staff, and postgraduate students working in life sciences. This training delivers practical skill-based learning to help you implement effectively biosafety and biosecurity programs in research labs, diagnostic facilities, and clinical environment. The course begins with an introduction to biorisk management principles, the history of biosafety, and global and national regulatory frameworks. You will explore the challenges of dual-use research of concern, DURC, and learn how to manage zoonotic pathogens with real-world relevance. You will also gain hands-on experience in using personal protective equipment, including proper donning and doffing techniques, safe handling of pathogens, and spill management procedures. You will also learn how to operate critical lab equipments like biosafety cabinets and autoclaves, manage infectious biological waste, and perform sample collection, preservation, and shipment of potentially hazardous materials in compliance with international guidelines. A special focus will be given to emergency response protocols, human performance in biological risk environment, and establishing worker health program to maintain safety in the workplace. This course offers the knowledge and hands-on practice needed to reduce risk, ensure compliance, and build a culture of safety in biosciences. Join us to strengthen your expertise and become a leader in biosafety and biosecurity management. Thank you very much.